So here we have the Audi Q2 on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside there, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area. First of all, the tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, just run through a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the centre, you can't miss, of course, the satellite navigation that's being displayed there. You can change the way these dials are viewed using buttons on the steering wheel. You can have different menus shown in that central section, for example. And all of that is done using the buttons out to the left-hand side of the steering wheel just here. The view button, as you can see, will change that. And these arrows will take you through your different options that you have available to you up there. And in circling through those, you can see the total miles of this car. They can be found in the centre just here. They are 24,645. We have cruise control and speed limiter. We have phone controls over on the right-hand side. And then into the centre, the main screen for the car. So what you're looking at there, first of all, is your ability to be able to set the car up into different modes. So auto, the car will decide how it drives for you. Dynamic, individual. Under individual, you can customize these various different settings to your own liking. We can come back out to the main menu. All the movement that I'm making on the screen currently, and we started on this menu just here, is being done using this dial. These two buttons relate to the left and right hand sides of the screen. You can go to your main menu, you can go back a page, or you can access certain things directly from here. So for example, we are now on the radio menu. We can access that left-hand side of the screen where you'll see we've got FM, DAB and AM radio all available. If we come back a couple of pages, the media button is where you'll listen to your own music. Again, access that left-hand side of the screen and you can see loads of ways to listen to music in this car, including Bluetooth audio. So once you've paired your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well, of course. You can pair your phone under the telephone heading. You can access your satellite navigation up on here. If you wish to, you can simultaneously have your sat-nav displayed here and on the screen that we started on where your dials can be found. Working our way down from that, the drive select button will do exactly the same thing as we were doing a moment ago, but with the touch of a button rather than having to use that dial. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. We have our hazard warning lights. Traction control you can turn on and off. If you wish to, you can turn the main screen on and off for nighttime driving potentially. You can change the temperature inside the car from here. You can, of course, change the fan speed and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again with a heated rear screen. That button will circulate the air conditioning or the air that's currently in the car. That's a great way of heating up or cooling down the car quickly, depending on the temperature you set here, of course. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, 2 cup holders, the volume for your stereo, and the 6-speed manual gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.